Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to use inline and switch. So what this can do is you can program your character to do stuff like walk and shoot and jump. Well, sometimes we want to do whenever a special circumstance happens, it does something else. So here's our walking, our jumping, low, and our shooting. Now, let's make it where whenever the score of let's do white is above 0, do inline page 2. So at the top here we have page 1 and page 2. So any time that the score of the white is higher than 0, it's going to do this. It's going to add in the stuff that's on page 2. So let's go to page 2 and let's do when keyboard and let's do keyboard, and we'll add the letter. Let's do a letter E. Let's do E. And we want to shoot. No, you know what? We'll do mouse, right click, shoot a missile. So this is a little bit different. And it'll shoot level and it'll shoot once. Okay. So now all we need to do is add in the ability to get a white point. So let's add in a coin here. A coin. And let's say program when it's bumped into by the cycle, add to the score, the white score, 1 point. And then also when it's bumped into by the cycle, disappear, vanish, get rid of the coin. So when he bumps into it, give him a white point and go away and vanish. Okay, so let's try this. So if I right click, I'm right clicking, it's not doing anything. If I left click, shoots, and I can still jump. Now let's touch the coin. We got 1 white point. Now when I right click, I can shoot missiles. Pretty neat. And I can still jump, and I can still do all that good stuff. Now let me show you about switch. Switch is very similar to inline. Inline includes the whole page. If you use the switch button, so instead of doing inline, let's change this to switch, and we're going to switch to page 2. Now let's see what happens when we grab that coin. I can't move my character anymore. I can't shoot blips. I can shoot missiles though. I cannot jump. So what the switch does is it switches you off of page 1. So he's basically going to forget everything that's on page 1, and he's only going to know what's on page 2. So unless, if you want him to lose an ability or gain an ability or learn a whole new set of abilities, you can use switch. But if you want to just add 1 or 2 things, you want to use the inline ability. Alright. Talk to y'all later.